love it so much. It is really fun there and my child and nieces loves it so much. They love the bubble play, the indoor playground is fun and the outdoor pools is fantastic. The food is great too. Definitely will visit again next time. And of course booking with Klook make everything easy. It was fun. My kids was so overexciting and full of joy to be there. The bubble play 2 times at 1:30 p.m. and 3:30 p.m. We will come again for sure next vacation. Best next, you can bring your children here, it's the best, a clean place, the most important thing is to keep the children safe. A comfortable place, safe, awake, a clean toilet, a clean pool, and the best playground.